Welcome to another Allen Coral Atlas GIS specific tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be talking you through how to transform a raster dataset to a vector dataset in ArcGIS Pro. All data used in this video is derived from the Allen Coral Atlas. The example raster dataset used is the bathymetry. Please be aware that this video is structured with the assumption that you have already captured and downloaded raster data from Allen Coral Atlas. Additionally, it assumes that your data is already inserted or ready to be inserted into ArcGIS Pro. If you are unsure how to do any of or both of these tasks, please navigate to the videos that cover both of these topics in the description box below. To begin, I will introduce raster and vector data. Vector data is composed of points, lines, and polygons. The benthic and geomorphic data within the Allen Coral Atlas represent vector data. Contrarily, raster data is composed of gridded or pixelated cells where each of these cells have a value and are associated with a specific geographical location. The bathymetry and satellite imagery data are examples of raster data within the Allen Coral Atlas. A reason that some may want to transfer raster into vector data is to conduct more complex analyses. This is because vectors, points, lines, and polygons are more scalable as they can be altered in size. Contrarily, raster's pixels are fixed to a geographical reference and also have resolution dependencies, causing them to be low quality at specific extents. Open ArcGIS Pro on your laptop and make sure your raster dataset is inserted within the project. In the top bar, click Analysis. A red toolbox labeled Toolbox will be one of the options. Click this icon to open up a geoprocessing pane in the right panel. If you find that you have or will be using the toolbox frequently, you can access this quickly by right-clicking the icon in the toolbox and selecting Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Once you do this, you should be able to see the icon in the very top corner. This is your Quick Access Toolbar. You can add any function to this toolbar. In the geoprocessing panel, type in Raster to Polygon and select. This tool is what is used to transform a raster's pixels into polygon features. Once the pane is opened, insert the raster into the Input Raster path bar. You can do this a few ways. First, if your raster is already inserted into your map, click the down arrow in the path bar and select the file. Second, you can click the folder icon next to the path bar and browse for the folder in which the raster is saved to in your file directory. Third, you can click and drag the layer from the Layers panel to the Input Raster pathway. All options give the same result. The next parameter is an optional one that allows you to identify which values of a field in the raster you'd like to assign to the output dataset. The output dataset is the resulting vector layer of this entire transformation. Name this layer in the output dataset file path and save it to a safe place in your files. You will then be provided two checkboxes. One allows you to simplify polygons that, if checked, will smooth the resulting polygons into similar shapes. This is the default. If unchecked, the polygon edges will conform exactly to the raster's cell edges. This is best if you plan to convert this layer back into a raster dataset in the future. Keep this box checked. The second checkbox allows you to create multi-part features. Checking this box provides the polygons with the same value as a multi-part feature. Leaving the box unchecked makes only individual features for each polygon. This is the default. Please leave this box unchecked. The last and final parameter is one we will keep empty as it is optional. This max vertices per polygon feature parameter allows you to specify the amount of vertices you'd like each polygon to be subdivided with. If no value is specified, the polygons will not be subdivided. This is the default. Once all of our parameters are correctly filled in, click Run to start the tool. Depending on the size of the raster, this tool could take a few minutes. After the tool is run, the new vector layer will show up on the map as well as the layers panel. If you do not see the layer on your map, make sure the layers box is checked in the layers panel. If you still do not see the layer, right-click the layer in the layers panel and select Zoom to Layer. This will automatically bring you to your newly created layer. Congratulations, you have successfully transformed a raster layer into a vector layer. Please contact Allen Coral Atlas at allencoralatlas.org if you have any questions. Please stay tuned for more GIS-specific videos with the Allen Coral Atlas. Happy mapping!